Think they control your every move? Think again. Those strings are about to be cut. This is about disappearing from their script, safely and for good. Feeling trapped, drained, and questioning your sanity in a relationship with a narcissist? That roller coaster of idealization and devaluation is real, damaging, and not your fault. Recognizing these toxic patterns is your first brave step back to life. Leaving a narcissist isn't a typical breakup, it's an escape. They're masters of manipulation, using smear campaigns, hoovering with false promises, and turning others against you. The fear can be paralyzing, which is why a solid exit strategy is critical for your safety. The good news? You can leave safely and permanently. Today, we're building your narcissist exit strategy, a careful, calculated blueprint for freedom, prepared before they suspect a thing. Step 1: Mindset shift and emotional fortification. First, build unshakable determination. Grieve what you wished for, but accept you can't change them. Challenge their narrative, their criticisms are about them, not you. Journal your strengths and future vision. This internal armor stops you from second-guessing. Step 2: Silent and strategic preparation. Next, quiet groundwork, don't alert the narcissist. Secure finances, save in a new, secret bank account. Gather essential documents, IDs, shared papers, and store copies safely. Pack a hidden go bag with essentials and document all abuse. Step 3: Build your support system. Don't go it alone. Quietly rally trusted friends and family who won't be manipulated. Seek a therapist specializing in narcissistic abuse for guidance and validation. If needed, consult a lawyer for legal and financial protection, especially with kids or shared assets. Step 4: The escape plan execution. Secure communications, change all passwords, use new devices if needed. Arrange a secret, safe place to go. Plan to leave when the narcissist isn't around to avoid confrontation. Prioritize children's safety. Inform the narcissist after you're safe, briefly and neutrally, no arguments. Step 5: Going no contact and staying gone. Staying gone means no contact, block them everywhere. This protects you from manipulation. Expect hoovering attempts and smear campaigns, don't engage. If you share kids, use low contact, minimal, factual communication. If harassed, contact law enforcement. Step 6: Early freedom and self-care. After leaving, expect a whirlwind of emotions, be patient with yourself. Prioritize self-care, sleep, nutrition, joy. Process feelings with therapy. Reconnect with your authentic self and passions. Healing takes time, but it's possible. Leaving a narcissist is incredibly brave and your doorway to peace and authenticity. You're not defined by their abuse, you are resilient and deserve freedom. This strategy is your roadmap, your courage is the fuel. You can reclaim your power. This strategy shifts the power. You're no longer reacting to chaos but architecting your safe departure and new beginning. You deserve peace. Go get it. Support is out there. Reach out to therapists and support groups. Share experiences in the comments if you feel safe. If this helped, like and subscribe for more on healing. Your journey to freedom starts now.